The market today. How's your knife holding up?
Pretty good.
Don't cut yourself.
My dad cut his hand trying to use it.
What's going on over here today? Any cantaloupes?
No, not ready yet.
No. Oh, I got you. Salt me, people. How we doing?
Make sure you get him on camera.
Is he wanted?
Yeah, he wants. Yeah.
Ah, lopes. I got orders to bring lopes home today. Damn, you got a gathering of stuff here today. How you been doing? How was the market Thursday over there? I didn't get over there.
It was really slow.
Yeah?
It was really slow.
I had a lady call me up with 14 ice cream man setting up, pizza man setting up. Let's go see what the fish man's got over here. Fish man's got something that looks easy on the eyes. A new addition. Oh, yeah. Russ, what's up, buddy?
I don't know, man. How you doing, Mo?
No shrimpies. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Just a couple minutes behind trying to get it set up, man. We're going to be there.
I got you. Little scallops?
Morning, how are you?
Ocean scallops.
Everything's well. A little behind, but we're good.
They're good, don't they?
They are good.
Mm-hmm.
One of the best things in the sea.
Yes.
The best of it. Peach pie. Don't leave home without them. Goat cheese with chives.
I got a chopped and garlic right there.
One or two. You got some of them?
Yeah, I got about a couple. I mean, it's,
I'll find out how many she wants. I know I'm supposed to bring two. This is one of four. Here's the fourth one of four. I may have already showed you this, but I don't remember. One was an 8-inch slicer, Wusthof. One was a pair of poultry scissors. And then this lady brought me two. One's a Cutco. The other one's a Chicago cutlery. And then this lady brought me a whole bucket of knives. Look at them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 knives in this one. She said she got this knife from her grandmother. And her grandmother got it from her grandmother. It's a pearl ivory handle. It's an old knife. I got to take it home and clean it up for her and sharpen it. Market is cooking pretty good. Doesn't look like it, but it's really busy, or has been. Check this out. This lady rolled up with this canvas sack. Damn, what's in that, I wonder? She got all our knives in there. There's 5, I think they're Heckles. Doesn't say Heckles, but I know they're Heckles. Got a whole gathering of them in there. Yep, you can see the Heckles, that Heckle right there. No, that's not a Heckle, that's a Hampton Forge. I don't know what the other one is. Let's see what this next one is here. Let's get this one out. This is a big one. The same thing, Hampton Forge. High carbon steel, Bergdorf, USA. Cool. Homework. I'll have to bring them back to next week. I mean tomorrow, I should say. She lives nearby. Chisel ground. Kalamazoo. Just in this nice little block. Un tequila. Well, I'm home with the knives. These are the ones I was telling you about, Hampton Forge. She got 3 of those. And this one is an old Sabatier carbon steel knife. And this one is, it looks like the same knife, a smaller version, but it looks to be stainless. Maybe it's just that she uses it every day, and the other one had been used in a decade. You can see they're sisters, made exactly alike. Maybe this one will clean up, I don't know, but it looks like carbon steel to me. Or, like I said, this one maybe here, she uses it for everything. I think you saw everything else. This doodad thing. I showed you that. This is all homework stuff. This is a remainder of that basket full of knives. And the little old English knife, or whatever you want to call it. Okay, got homework. While I was coming home, I got a call from a lady who wanted me to sharpen some shears for her. You know what I do with them? I just had them. I went by and picked them up. Stand by, let me find them. They're under this bag. It looked like somebody had been cutting wire with them. He said, I've had these for over 40 years. I don't know if you can see through there or not, but look at the gaps in it. These are nice, he said. Well, it looks like somebody's been cutting something in them. They're in bad shape. And they got the flat part. You know, this is supposed to be flat. Aluminum, just to cut the bushes with. They got gouges all in them. Unbelievable. I think I can get them in pretty good shape though. Okay. That's it for the knife gig. It was a good day at a knife gig. Bad day in the land of Nala, but a nice knife gig. Nala was really bad to us today. Or to me especially. Stand by.